Listen to this story. Long, long ago, 4 cows lived in a jungle. They were very good friends and did everything together. They grazed the fields together, had fun together, and also saved each other from wild animals. This is why even the tigers, the lions, or any other wild animals of the jungle did not have the courage to attack them in any way. There was one lion in the jungle which always had an eye on these 4 cows, but he could never find the right opportunity to catch them. One day, the 4 cows had a huge fight. They stopped doing everything that they used to do together. This created the perfect chance for the lion to attack them. So one day, the lion hid himself behind a dense bush in the field and waited for one of the cows to come near him. One of the lonely cows was grazing nearby, and he came close to the bush. The lion pounced upon her without wasting any time. Over time, since the cows were always alone, the lion attacked all the 4 cows one by one. So the moral of the story is that unity is strength. We should all stay together without fighting with each other.